In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter purchase entry in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a supplier bill so your expenses, payables, and inventory stay accurate and up to date. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. Head over to the left-hand menu and open the Purchases section. This area is dedicated to everything you buy for your business. Things like materials, subscriptions, and services from your vendors. So it's the right place to capture supplier bills. Inside Purchases, choose Bills. Bills represent the invoices you receive from your vendors and are different from purchase orders or quick expenses. If you're tracking what you owe and when it's due, Bills is where you need to be. Next, create a new entry by selecting New. This opens a blank bill form and is your workspace for entering all the details from the vendor's invoice. Begin by selecting a vendor. Pick the supplier that issued the bill, but their terms, addresses, and tax preferences can apply automatically. If you don't see the vendor, make sure they've been set up in your contacts beforehand so you can select them here without breaking your workflow. Enter the bill number exactly as it appears on the supplier's invoice. This is important for avoiding duplicates, matching payments later, and making audits painless. Double check spacing and punctuation so it matches the original document. Choose the bill date. This is the date printed on the vendor invoice, and it often drives the due date based on the vendor's payment terms. Setting it correctly ensures your aging reports and reminders are accurate. Now select the item you're being charged for. Use your catalog product or service so your costs, inventory counts, and reporting stay consistent. When the line appears, fill in the fields you see, such as quantity, rate, and any applicable tax or discount, so the amount mirrors the vendor's invoice. If your bill includes more than one line, repeat the item selection to add additional rows until the entire invoice is represented. Take a moment to review the subtotal, tax, and total to make sure everything matches the document you received. When everything looks good, choose Save as Open. This records the bill in an open, awaiting payment status, which is ideal when you're not paying it immediately. You'll be able to come back later to record a partial or full payment, apply credits, or reconcile it during your regular payables run. That's it. You've created a clean, accurate purchase entry in Zoho Books, keeping your payables current and your books reliable.